Okay, let me see what is there. Yeah. It is on Sunday, India time evening. So somebody is asking when is it? It is fun event is on Sunday. Is on Sunday, 15th August, 7:30 p.m. India time. So US, it might be early morning for you.
And Malaysia, it will be night.
Yeah, Malaysia, it will be 10 p.m. I think, unfortunately. Yeah.
Malaysia and Singapore.
Yeah. What to do? I think we can. I can't find a single time which is suitable for everybody. So I think.
Sir, how many people are from foreign countries?
In my class, there are maybe 10.
From L4 till L4.
Yeah, that's what. Till L4, there are quite maybe about 15 to 20 people are there from foreign countries.
Oh my God.
Okay. So yeah, I think so.
So in this L2 batch, you have 16 people. So in L3 batch and L4 batch, combining them, you might have 40 or 30.
Yeah. L2.
Sure.
Actually, your L2 class consists of 20 people, but some of them are joining sometime and not joining sometime, etc. And then L3 is also like that. 22 people are there in L3. And then L4 is less, because L4, what happens is some people after L3, they may not continue, or depending on that, right? I mean, it becomes tougher and tougher. So L3, L4, there are 13 people. So yeah.
I know one from L4 Uday.
Uday, you know. Okay, cool.
Sir,
Okay, yeah.
what about the unit test?
Yes, I'm correcting the things. Whoever has sent it, I'm correcting it, and I will give the feedback today. Okay. All right, let's get going. So, yeah.
Sir, I will send my unit test by today only.
Okay. Please send it today.
I will send it today or tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Fine. Now let us look at this position. Okay. And so here, so first we have to understand what is a passed pawn. A passed pawn is something that which does not have any opponent pawn can block it or capture it. If that is the case, then it is called as a passed pawn. Okay. As long as there is no opponent pawn that can stop it or capture it. Okay. So in case of a pawn of white, there is no pawn on the B or the A files from black, which is behind or ahead, right? So A pawn is a passed pawn. Okay. What about black's E pawn? Is it a passed pawn?
No.
Black's E5 pawn, right? Is it a passed pawn?
No, because king is blocking it.
Yeah, but it is king is blocking it, not another pawn, right? White's pawn is not blocking it. So it is still a passed pawn. Okay, it is a blocked passed pawn, but it is blocked by white's king, but otherwise it is still a passed pawn. Okay, now look at this position and see there are equal number of pawns for both, right? Black has got 3 pawns, white has got 3 pawns. So now in this position, who do you think what will be the result? Is it a draw, or white will win, or black will win?
White will win, sir.
White will win.
And why white will win?
Because if black king
Because,
goes for the h1, then
Wait, one at a time. I think wait, one at a time.
Sir?
Wait.
Sir,
Okay, I will have
Sir?
to mute. Wait. I will have to mute everybody. Please type only. Okay, because it is getting too. Yeah, type your answer. What is the thing? Who was saying something? Was that Ishan? Shreyas is saying white will win. And why do you think white will win? Yashika is also saying it is white is going to win. Many of you think it is white is going to win, right? And congratulations, you are correct. But do we know why? Yeah. Yes. I think Kushagra has got it perfectly written down. Okay, so white's okay. Sorry, it was not a pawn. It is h pawn of white. Okay, that was my mistake. But h pawn of white, it is called as outside passed pawn. Okay, and what happens is, see, white pushes it. Now that pawn, if you don't, black does not do anything, then simply it will become a queen. So black king will have to come closer to the pawn, right? And now, so because of which black king is diverted. Can you see this? Black king is diverted, and now white king will kill this pawn. Black king will also kill white's pawn. Fine, it is equal. But in this position now, you can say clearly that white is going to win this, right? Because white king is nearer and he's going to gobble up the black's pawn, right? Yeah. So someone has raised a hand. What is your question? Or I will let me go and Ishan, I am allowing you to unmute. What is your question?
It is not a question. I was going to say what it's going to do.
Okay, fine. See, yeah. See, what happens is now, even if black comes closer and closer, but black is too late to defend, right? White is simply going to kill this, both these pawns. And no matter what black does now, it doesn't really matter. Connected to passed pawns or here, or even white king can go here and just make sure that his pawns are going to queen, right? So this is the power of the, so this type of thing, why does this happen? This is because it is an outside passed pawn, and outside passed pawn means what is outside, what is inside here? It is relative to the blocked pawns. Okay, relative to the blocked pawns, black has got a pawn slightly away and outer side from the thing, but white has got further away, and that is why it is called as the outside passed pawn. Okay, if white was not pawn was not here, white's pawn was here, then we would have said that then none of the pawns would be passed, but we would have said that black has got an outside pawn. Okay, on the other hand, if white's pawn was on d3 and black's pawn was on, say, f5, and white king was on this, then what we would have said is it is the reverse thing. Then black would have been having the outside pawn, right? Whoever has got the outside passed pawn has got an advantage. And why? It is very simple. I think you saw it, right? You push the pawn outside passed pawn and you attract the king, opponent's king, and then you can then clean up the rest of the pawns which are inside, because the opponent king will have to go all the way out to first prevent the most outside pawn from queening, and then he loses time, right? So you got this, right? Everyone got this? All right. Okay. All right. Good. Excellent. So remember, but this is an advantage only when only kings and pawns are there. Okay. If there are pieces like a bishop or a knight is there, then it is not it is an advantage, but it is not such a winning advantage, because say bishop can just block the pawn. Sitting somewhere outside, he can just control a square that the pawn will pass through and without any moving. So king does not need to move closer. Like a bishop can stop it, etc. So remember, this is only in the king and pawn endings. King and pawn endings means there is only a king of each and there are pawns. There is no piece, right? In these cases, the outside passed pawn can become a winning advantage. Okay. Sometimes, even though you might have less pawns, you might have 3 pawns, opponent might have 4 pawns, but the situation is such that you have an outside pawn and that may cause you to win, right? Or the other way around, right? So please remember. So now let us look at the next position. Okay. So this is the position, and yep. Okay, let me get this on the board and let me see it. Clear board. Yeah, this is a position, and let's get this. Okay, So in this position, it was black to play. Okay. And what did black play? Black played here. Black played knight to c6 check. Okay. So what do you think now is the, how do you evaluate this position? How is white placed? How is black placed? Black has got 4 pawns and a knight. White has got 3 pawns and a knight. Okay. Who is okay? I have unmuted. I have allowed you to unmute, Vihan.
Yes, sir. Sir, this was a good move actually, because if the knight kills the other knight, first you will kill it with the pawn, but you can protect the pawn as well. And now in this end game, you have one more pawn, and you are a pawn up. So
Oh.
you have an advantage.
Okay, so let us see. Let us test this out. Okay, Vihan is saying that even if white exchanges the knights, black has got 4 pawns, and the pawns can be defended, and white has got only 3. So let us say I am playing white, Vihan. I will take this knight. Okay. Now you will capture it, right, with the pawn.
Yes.
And I will come here with the king. Now you play from the black side.
Okay. King c7.
King c7. Okay. I will play from the white side. I will play a4.
King b. Wait a minute. King b7.
King b7. I play a5.
Okay, then my pawn to no, it will be a okay then my pawn no. Okay, so my pawn 2 squares up. So my this pawn
H pawn or f pawn?
h5.
H5 if you do it, and I take apasa.
Yeah, that was the problem. Okay, so can you undo? Yeah. Then I would like to play. Okay, now white will win in case.
White will win, right? What do? You even if you play king c7, I play a6, right?
Yeah.
You play, okay, someone is saying, Ishan is saying f5, but what happens is f5 also, I take apasa. Whether you play h5 or f5, apasa, and I've got this pawn is going to queen there. One of them is going to queen, right? Ishan, I hope you know about apasa. I mean, I teach it in the L1, but I hope you know it. So no matter, even if you play king to a6, doesn't matter. The same rule comes into picture. King takes c6 outside pass pawn. Your black king is very much away, and now I come in here. You come in here. I come in here. You come in here. I take it. Come in here. I come in here. You come in here. I take it. Even if you defend it, right? I still come here. Now what? Now you cannot defend the pawn anymore. Then even if you take it, this is a win. Okay, Mishti is asking, why do I always take the winning side? No, it is not like that. I mean, I just want to ask and explain something. So I'm open to playing the drawing side or the losing side also, right?
So this move was not good.
Yeah, this move was not. This move,
Yeah.
I was talking, and so I just made some careless move. This is the thing, right? This is very simple. It is a win,
Yes, sir.
right? So again, you saw the power of the passed pawn, right? What could have black done? Okay, so let me. Mishti is asking. First of all, let me give the. Yeah, Myoha. Anybody else raise the hand now? Mishti, I will play the losing side. I will play black now. Okay, you play white. Okay. So what should black do then? What will black do? I will. No, it is not a famous game. It's not a famous game really. You know what I can do? I will play from the black side and I will play here. Now you play it. Now you play, Mishti, you can play the white side. Anyone wants to play this? Come on, Mishti, you said that, that's why I give you the chance.
I'm ready for that, sir.
Okay, play white side.
Okay, so here I would like, so this is the same position.
So you know what actually, and you have played it. So let me give the chance to Kushagre. Kushagre, okay, Mishti is finally now saying, okay. Mishti is saying, Mishti, I will allow you to unmute. Okay, where are you? Please, I will unmute you. Okay, I have allowed you to unmute, so you can play your these ones.
I'm very slow at typing.
Okay, so you are saying you will take the knight, then I will take it, obviously. Now,
Sir, now king to c5. King to c5.
king to c5. Fine, excellent. So I will play king to c7.
King to b4.
King to b4. Excellent. So I will play king to b6.
Sir, if I move the h pawn to h6, then will it be ampersand?
No, then it will be simple capture. But you cannot move it, right? That is black. I am black.
No, the h.
h4 to h5.
Oh,
You
okay.
can move only one square. Now then it is a normal thing.
I got a little confused.
Now you are playing white.
A4.
a4. Excellent. I will play a5.
Into a3.
a3, huh? Okay, I play king to c5.
King to b3.
King to b3. I play king to d4.
King king back to a3.
And king to c3.
Okay, now this is becoming hard. Now I have no choice.
Now what can you do?
King to a3 2.
King to b4.
King to b2.
King to b2, and now black is going to win this, right? Black is going to win this, right? So you have to be very careful. Okay, no wonder, it's okay. But black could have, black was actually stronger, and white makes this easier by exchanging the knights. Actually, what white should do is white should not exchange the knight, and there are chances of a lot of drawing. Okay, for example, I would play this knight to d5 here, right? And then my idea is I will go to knight to f6 from here, and then I'll be able to kill this pawn on h7. So that kind of this one, okay. And so black will, I will play this, and if you go here, right, then maybe I will what should I do? Yeah, I mean, it is not easy for you to this one, but it's okay in the sense that you can I would just at this point of time I would probably play this here, and if you take this, right, then what I would do is I will put my knight here. So now white though he has captured a knight, but he is not in a position to come up now, right? So he will be kind of, his knight is trapped there. So I mean there are a lot of things like that. So I will play this, because this knight cannot get out. He cannot come here, he cannot come here, he cannot take this, he can at the most he can go here, which is okay. But that is how it is. So I mean there are a lot of tricks, but you got the idea, right? I mean it is not so easy. Whichever side it is, there are a lot of tricks. So I will give chance to others also. Ramnath. No, but then see, the whole point is I'm trying to illustrate. So if I ask two students to play, they may not know the point and you will play something. So the whole idea why I play against one of you is that so that I can show it to you what is the right way, or what is the way that you can take advantage, right? Fine. So you have got this position, second position also you got it. Okay. Rule of the squares, you already know it. Now that you know this, you will be able to just answer this question, and not only that, play it. So now I will ask two of you to play it. Okay, let's say penultimate position. Okay, A2, B2, A7, B7, then there is E7, and there is H2. Okay, fine. Let me put this on the board. So there is pawns on an E7, and there is white pawn on H2. White king is here, black king is here, and it is white to play. Okay, it is white to play, and let me, who wants to play now? Let me say Ramnath and, okay, Deepant and Ramnath. Okay, both of you can unmute and you can tell your moves. Where is Deepant? Ramnath, I am allowing you to unmute. And where is Deepant? Okay, Deepant. I have allowed both of you to unmute. So, okay, Ramnath, you are playing white. First of all, what do you think is this? No, Ramnath, I have allowed you to unmute. So you can, where is that? You have to unmute. See, I can't unmute you. I'm only allowing you to unmute. Yeah, I have again allowed you.
Okay, sir. I should play as white.
Yeah. What do you think? Are you going to win or draw or lose? What is the?
I think white will win.
Okay, white will win. Okay, so let us see. You play your move.
Pawn to H4.
Pawn to H4. Okay, and who is the other side? Deepant. Deepant, you are playing black.
King to G6.
King to G6. Okay. Ramnath.
King to G3.
King to G3. Okay. Deepant.
Pawn to E5.
Pawn to E5. Okay. So
King to G4.
King to G4. Okay.
Pawn to E4.
Okay.
Pawn to H5.
Pawn to H5. Huh? Okay.
King to H6.
King to F6. Okay.
H6, sir. H6.
H6. Okay.
King to G6.
Okay.
King to F4.
King to F4. Okay.
King to H6. Capture the white pawn.
Okay.
I will also capture the black pawn.
King to G5.
Okay.
King to D5.
Okay.
King to King to D6.
Okay.
King to C6.
C6 cannot. It is a check. King cannot.
D6. King to
Okay. King to D6. Then
King to F5.
okay.
King to C7.
Okay.
King to E4.
I will take the pawn.
King to D3.
Pawn to B4.
King to C4.
Good move.
Pawn to A3.
King to B3.
Pawn to B5.
King to A4.
Very good move. Very good move, Dipan.
King to A7.
King to A7. This is a draw now.
King to B5.
Now this is a draw.
Yes.
So Ramnath, you have missed out a win. You have missed out a win big time. I think up to here it was okay. Then when you came here, this was also okay. Now here, this is not so okay. I think you have to take this pawn now. Okay. Now if white takes it, then your pawn is not catchable.
Yes.
Right? So one small mistake you have done. But see how it is. But it is actually a win for white. And almost there, Ramnath got it almost. But in the end, one mistake he made. And Dipant also fought very well. But Dipant, if you know, if he had not made the mistake, Ramnath, then you would have lost it right after this. But you played very well. And at here also, you did not take the pawn, which is very good. You if pawn takes here, then also white gets a chance to take this, and now you cannot catch the b5 pawn. So you played it very nice, right? So your king to a4 move was very good move, because now it asked the king the question: if white king comes here, right? If white king takes the pawn, then anyway it's a draw. If white king comes here, then also it is very likely a draw now. Very likely. It can still white has chances, but black king should just play here, and then there is a chance. Okay. So good, but I think all of you got to see how to play this. Okay. So so this is a very important thing. So please go through this handout. And similarly, there is one more position that I have given, which you can try it out. It is, the idea is very similar again. There is an outside passed pawn, because of which in the last position here in the handout, black actually will win it, because black has got an outside passed pawn. But you can try this out yourself. Okay, somebody was asking, why don't I do it on chess.com and why do I on Live Chess? Because see, Live Chess is absolutely, all the features are completely free. Chess.com, it will ask you, there are some features which are free, but beyond that you have to pay for various subscriptions are there, and you have to pay. But Live Chess is completely free. It is like open source, Linux, etc. So that is the reason why I do it on Live Chess, because you can always donate to Live Chess, and it's a very good. There is only 1 or 2 developers. Thibault is there, who kind of maintains it. So I periodically give some donations. If you want, you can give the donation instead of paying it to chess.com. You can give the donation to Live Chess, and you will get the school wings on your name. Right, but everything, the puzzles, the learnings, everything that is there, everything is completely free. That is the idea. So Okay, Mishti, I think I had unmuted you already. So what is the, okay? I've allowed you to unmute.
Sir, you should give a quiz on quizzes.com.
What is that quizzes? Can I give chess type of quizzes? Because see,
Yes, I think you can give, sir.
I have to check what is it. I don't know.
Sir, it's like there will be lots of quizzes. You can search or create a game.
Hey, what is this? Quizzes.com. It is not even a domain. Something else there. You are
Sir,
spelling it
this
wrong.
is something else only.
Then what did you say? Quizzes, right? That is what I put. No.
Mm.
What is the site name, or is it an app, or what is that?
Oh, okay.
QUIZIZ. Okay, I think not double Z.
ZZIZ. Sir, the
ZI double Z,
second option, it's right there.
Okay. What is this? I will check out. Okay, but can I give chess type of puzzle? See, because
I
what
think
happens
you
is I
can.
don't have simple puzzles right here. If you give some other move, then I will need to still allow you and then tell why this is not. But I will check this out. Okay, I will check this out. Is it?
Okay, sir.
So yeah, please feel free to suggest me. I think you know many of these things from your school experience, etc. So I don't know. So if this is good, then I might conduct my exams on this one online then, right? So it is okay. Kahoot is okay. I will check Kahoot also. Kahoot and quizzes. Okay, let me see. Okay. No, Google Forms, the thing that happens is Google Forms I had checked, but it is only that I mean, it is only yes or no, in the sense either you get the right answer or you don't get the right answer. But here we have to explain the moves also, right? So like I have to explain, oh, if you play this, why this is not correct and this way, etc. So that is the thing. So yeah, Vihan, you were already unmuted, right? No? Okay, I have allowed you to unmute. I have allowed everyone to unmute now. So we have 2 minutes left or 1 minute left.
Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to say in my, yeah, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in my classes, I only conduct the quiz. So, quizzes.com is a good platform, but you can only do MCQ or something like that. So, there's a good method to do this. I'll help you. When are you free? I'll just
Okay,
tell you how to use
I
it.
will ping you. I will need some help. So good.
I
And
have a instructor dashboard. I know it very well.
okay.
Quizzes.com.
Fine. Then I will touch
So
with you.
I only conduct it in my whole class.
Good, very good. I think you are good.
Yeah.
So okay, we are going to end the class now. Okay, and be ready for your thing. But Ishan, you can call me after this immediately on my WhatsApp. Okay.